Greetings, y'all. Greetings. How y'all doing this day? It's Monday morning and I'm out here working. It's afternoon for us. I know it's morning wherever you all are. Maybe some places afternoon, but it's afternoon for us and I'm out here working, trying to do some beds for my, I'm going to do some kale and some arugula out here in these beds that I'm making. So I'm gonna just enjoy it while I go ahead and just dig this soil up, turn it up, fix it up really nice for these lovely plants. Yes. Hope y'all just enjoy it. Yes, that's what I'm doing today. I made these already because I want really to put some rosemary. I want to plant a lot of rosemary, but meanwhile, until I get the rosemary, I've set a few. So now I said, you know what? Let me just put some kale and arugula in here because they grow really fast. And by the time they finish, I can put the rosemaries in here because I love rosemary and I want to get a lot of it to plant. And some lavender. Yes, those are good. Smell beautiful. You cook with it. You do make tea with it. You can use it for your hair and all those beautiful things. So right now we're gonna just do these plants that we can also eat, and they will come fast in here. And I'm also gonna put some lettuce, some arugula, and kale in here. Yes, I'm just fixing up this soil real nice for them. Yes, because we've been getting some good showers. Yesterday was a beautiful day with a lot of shower. So today the ground is nice, so nice and soft. You can see how easy it's digging up. Yes, so that's what I'm out here doing today. Plant a lot of stuff, guys. I'm just putting in everything in here, every little thing in here. I have soursop, I have plums, mango. This is a dwarf mango. And I see what it's gonna do about it. And I'm gonna see what it's gonna do. I was asking my mom yesterday, how do the breadfruit, how you get the breadfruit plant? Because I got that from someone. And she said, usually they chop a part of the root and it's spring. And when it's spring, you get that part and plant it. And you go, I never know because I learn every day. So I ask questions, about stuff that I don't know. When my dad was alive, I used to call him up because we used to chat all the time. So I used to call him up and ask him a lot of things about the farming. He teach me a lot of stuff. And some of my mom know, I ask my mom too. So it's always good to learn from the elders too. Miss my dad, man. Empower dad. I love my dad and I missed him. Yes. Learn a lot from him. Yeah, a lot. Was a good dad. Take care of us, take us from Jamaica, bring us to Florida, and it's always some ups and downs, but I'm grateful for my parents. Yes, grateful for them. Because a lot of people don't have a parents this day. They wish they have their parents. I have my mom still, but my dad is gone. Yeah, and I'm thankful because I'm still learning from them. Learned something from my mom yesterday. Yes. And I'm still learning because I'm asking questions about things. So make me even stronger and want to do more, push more, do more in the farming. And it's such a beautiful thing to have things growing when you can come outside and get your own stuff outside. Not from nobody else, but what your hands have put in this ground right here. And I love it because it tastes good. And it's so awesome. I feel good out here this morning. Feel really good out here working. I was weeding up there, weeding out my pineapple, them and stuff. And I say I want to finish this down here and then I'll finish up there. Yeah, I just like to keep things nice. I like when my garden is looking real good, clean and nice. Keep it weed out and all that stuff. I have my rake down there, so I rake up some of the leaf when I'm finished. The avocado, they shed a lot, so I'll rake up when I'm finished. But right now I want to finish up this, make it look really nice and pretty, and whenever time it comes up, yeah, we see what it look like and how they coming along, and we'll share with you. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Enjoy the day wherever you are. Much love to you all. Share the video, subscribe, yes, enjoy it, and give me your feedback, yes. And we will catch up soon again. Take care of yourself. Have a beautiful day, or rest well, eat well, treat yourself well, self-care, self-love, and we'll catch up again. See y'all soon. Take care. Thank you.